Hi everyone, this is the hammer mill complete set with the circular discharge and dust collection box. This is my hammer mill body, crusher body. This is import material here and discharge here, and dust we are collecting here. This is in feed hole and discharge motor here, and dust collection box, and high pressure induced draft fan.